Sanibonani, igama lami uLindiwe. Welcome to another ZuluMites Preschool Series. Namhlanje, we'll be learning about the days of the week, which is izinsuku zeviki. Izinsuku zeviki. Umsombuluko, uLwesibili, uLwesithathu, uLwesine, uLwesihlanu, uMgqibelo, iSonto. Okay, now we're going to sing a song about the days of the week. Umsombuluko, uLwesibili, uLwesithathu, uLwesine, uLwesihlanu, uMgqibelo, iSonto, lawa amalanga weviki. Lawa amalanga weviki. Thank you so much, friends. Siyabonga kakhulu. Salani kahle.